Hi guys, I just wanted to go over a review with you on how we sort matter. So there's many different ways. We've talked about shapes, colors, texture, by mass. So I'm going to take this little book. It's one of our science books. So I'm going to kind of go through this with you just as a review. So how do we sort? We use our senses. We look at the properties of objects and we put together objects that are alike in some way. So you can sort things by color, by shape, by size, little, big, wide, narrow. You can sort by touch. So that's the texture of things. Is it rough, smooth, bumpy? You can sort by sound. Sometimes things are loud, some things are quiet. You can sort it by, does it float, does it sink? Okay, most of the time heavier items are going to sink, lighter items are going to float. You can sort it by whether or not it is magnetic. You can sort it by what they're made of. So things that are made by cotton, things that are made by plastic. You can sort matter in that way too. Okay. So these are all the ways. Whether something is magnetic, what material is it made out of? Okay, remember that a property is what it looks like on the outside. We sort by our senses. Okay, so remember this as we continue talking about matter. And this week we're looking at mass. So when we sort matter by mass, you have sorted matter and you've sorted it one way by one of its properties. Mass would be a measurable property because you actually have to measure the mass of an object to be able to sort it. So, hope this helps. Bye.